What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? It's your boy, once again, Nore, the host of the Gliding on Tools YouTube channel. And what I have for you today is a little bit of assistance with your 2020 or later Harley touring right after this. Hey, welcome back to the Gliding on Tools YouTube channel. And what we're going to discuss today is a assistance sensor that Harley released. Okay, this is not a new release. It was released earlier in the year in the long haul packages or the special packages that Harley put together at the beginning of the year. All right, it is the vehicle hold control sensor. Okay, and I'll put a picture up here somewhere with the part number. Okay, these fit the 2020 and later Harley touring models, to include the new 24 Road Glide and Street Glide. Now, this system came stock on the 23 and later CVO models, but of course they had some hiccups with it. All of the hiccups are cleared up now. The software program works for it. All right, what this system does, if you have a 2020 and later touring model with RDRS, you already have a hill assist feature on your motorcycle. But the stock feature of it allows you to squeeze either your front or rear brakes hard. You'll get a little icon on your gauges, and the bike essentially holds the brake for you. But you would still have to have the bike in gear and clutch pulled in for that entire time. Now, what the vehicle hold control sensor does is it allows you to use the hill assist while in neutral. So that way both hands can be free at the exact same time. All right, this sensor gets plugged in or screwed in to your Jiffy stand mount. All right, there's already a little hole in there. I'll show you some pictures of it. There's already a little hole there with a plug. You pick the plug out, you screw the sensor in, and then you wire it to the bottom of the bike. And underneath the little plastic pan there that you have to remove, it's already a open connection ready for that install. You just have to unplug it, the end cap of it, plug the new one in. All right, but I will add this: you will have to get the bike flashed or have that sensor enabled at a Harley Davidson dealership or a reputable independent shop that has the features or the program to be able to enable that feature. Now, I've bought it for my bike. I've used it. It works flawlessly. No complaints so far. I've had it on there for a couple weeks now. All right. So I bring this to you just in case you might want to think about doing it. For everyone who has a 2020 or later touring model, Harley touring model. All right. If you have a CVO, it already comes with that feature. All right. If you don't know how to use that feature, hey, drop it in the comments and I'll run through. I'll make a video just on that feature by itself. All right. But for the meantime, I just wanted to bring this to you. All right. Quick and easy install, not too long of an install. All right. If you know what you're doing. All right. If you don't know what you're doing and you still want that feature, take it into the shop, get it put on. All right. So, like I said, it allows you to use the hill assist feature while in neutral. All right. And yes, for those of you that are going to ask, the bike still turns on in neutral with the Jiffy stand down. I've had that question before as well. All right. So that's all I have for you for today. If you got any other comments, put them down below. Don't forget to like this video. And then, as always, Enjoy your ride.